Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple but crucial trick in Hubspot, how to change the time zone of your working hours. Whether you're managing a global team or just want your schedule to match your local time, this guide will make it quick and easy. Stick around because by the end, you'll have your Hubspot calendar perfectly aligned with your time zone. First, let's start by logging into your Hubspot account. Once you're in, head over to your profile picture in the top right corner and click on Settings. From here, navigate to the General section. This is where HubSpot keeps your personal and account-wide settings. Look for the time zone and locale settings. This is where all the magic happens. Now you'll see your current time zone listed. To change it, simply click the drop-down menu and scroll to select the time zone that matches your working hours. For example, if you're moving from Eastern Time to Central European Time, just find the correct city or time zone label and click on it. Once you've selected the new time zone, make sure to click Save at the bottom of the page. HubSpot will immediately update your account settings, and your working hours, meetings, and scheduled activities will now reflect the new time zone. It's worth noting that changing your time zone here will not affect other users' time zones. Each user can set their own, so make sure your team members adjust theirs if needed. This keeps everyone's calendar in sync and avoids confusion with meetings across different regions. Lastly, double-check your meeting links and workflows to ensure that everything aligns with your new time zone. HubSpot automatically adjusts most features, but a quick review never hurts. And that's it. Changing your time zone in HubSpot is that simple, but it can save you a lot of headaches, especially when working with international teams. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more HubSpot tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.